Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Naika, and it is another try and haul time. Oh my god, I'm so corny. So this try and haul video is gonna be Fashion Nova. I haven't bought anything from them in a while, and I was like, maybe I should go in there and look for some cute stuff and see what I can get. Now, when you guys see this video, man, you guys know this is pre-recorded. When you guys see this video, it's probably already gonna be past summer, but there's a lot of little cute summer items that you guys may like and etc. And I'm sure Fashion Nova usually has stuff on there for a little while, so I'm sure you guys will probably see it again. And then this other brand called Cutely Covered. So this is another brand that I kind of fell in love with, and I love their stuff. I love their outfits. I got like 2 little rompers from them, so I'm gonna try on that with you guys as well, right? So I'm gonna do these 2 together. Let's get started. There's a couple of outfits. Okay guys, so these are all the outfits right here. So like I said, I got 2 rompers and I got a bunch of dresses, and I think I got 1 2-piece like a pants and a top. So let me just get right into trying them on. It's gonna be a little bit of a fun little try on haul with all of these little different things and everything. So I hope you guys enjoy, and don't forget in the comments, please let me know which outfits that you guys favored the most. And check out my Instagram for how I wore them and styled them, where I wore them to, and the pictures that I took. All right, let's get to outfit number 1. Okay guys, so this is outfit number 1. It is a cute romper. Oh my god, I love this. I didn't expect myself to love this so much. I love this. So it is an adorable romper from Cutely Covered. I can't even turn around because I didn't button it all the way, because it's just me. But if I just close it together, right, it has like a little strap that you can connect the back right here to tighten the back. But then you also just have just the looseness and the comfortability of just this cute, adorable one piece. I love it, and I love the mesh in between. It is absolutely adorable, guys. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it, guys. If you guys hear talking in the background, it's my husband. So don't worry about it, it's my husband. All right, he's on the phone. But yes, I mean, guys, look at this. Look at this. This is a cute romper. I'm really already thinking about where am I gonna wear this to. Thinking about like a nice little rooftop with some cute heels that I can throw this on. Yes. All right. So yeah. All right. Let's get into outfit number 2. All right, guys. So this is outfit number 2. I mean, I'm digging these jumpsuits. I mean, come on, tropical vibes. Tropical vibes. I am digging these jumpsuits. This is so cute, and I love the belt that comes with it. Such a nice, lovely added accessory. Adds nice accent to it. It has that one strap. Just to show you, there's that one strap. It's like a little off the shoulder little thing. Don't mind me, guys. Right? Because I didn't zip it all the way. So this is the back. Also, the back is like, you know, right? Oh my god, this is adorable. Adorable. I'm on my toes. It's so cute, so fashionable. I can't wait to wear it. Can't wait to take pictures in it. I absolutely love it. I love it. I just love it. I just love it. Guys, I love it. Right, so this is outfit number 2. Let's get on to outfit number 3. All right, guys, so this is outfit number 3. This dress is from Fashion Nova. The first two rompers were from Cutely Covered, so now I'm all into Fashion Nova now. So this is a Fashion Nova dress. It is tie-dye. It has like this slit on the side, which I like. It is so cute. Like, guys, I'm sorry, but if you guys hear talking, it's my husband. Right, so yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm tiptoeing because, you know, I'm a little short, right? I love the pattern. I love the tie-dye look. It's a soft material. Oh my gosh, so adorable, so cute, right? And just very summer-like, right? So you want to go somewhere, you want to look sexy, you want to put on a nice little heel or shoe with it. You can. But this was a really great add thing, and it's, like I said, it's loose, it's stretchy, it's comfortable. I love it. Absolutely, I love it. So let's get on to outfit number 4. Also, the rest of them is going to be fashionable. So outfit number 4. Alright guys, so this is outfit number 4. It is a pants. It is a 2-piece pants suit. Oh my, I didn't know this was going to look this good. Guys, I didn't know this was going to look this good. This looks hella cute. Hella cute. Oh my god, this is adorable. This is really adorable. Oh my goodness. I love it. I love it. Wow, this is the back. And then this is back to the front. I mean, this is really Guys, don't give me no mind. I just have to adjust the straps to make sure that it fits. But yeah, here we are. This is outfit number 4. Let's get to outfit number 5. I'll be back. Okay guys, so this is outfit number 5. I did not know this was gonna be this fire. I mean, it has like this nice little open concept here that I love. I love it. And then it has like the slit here. Oh my goodness, this is fire. Look at this, guys. This is a really nice dress. Oh my goodness, like I said, the day I'm filming this video, my birthday hasn't come yet. And I'm over here like, oh my birthday, I already had options. But you know when you get other things, you're like, wait, this is another option. So this is definitely another option. I mean, this is fire. I love this. Oh my goodness, guys. This is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Oh my goodness, I love it. I love it. Look at this outfit, guys. This is different, like I said, out of the ordinary. It's adorable, it's cute, and this is a close-up of how the pattern is and how it looks. I mean, it's just divine. That's one of my new words. This is divine. I love how this looks. Oh my goodness. Every outfit that I was about to come with, I asked my husband, but he just stepped out, so I couldn't ask him like what he thinks, but he'll eventually see this. This is just gorgeous. All right, let's get on to, oh yeah, outfit number 6. All right, let's get on to 6. Okay guys, so this is outfit number 6. It is a beautiful flowy wrap dress. I love the way that it looks. I love the way that it feels. I wasn't too sure about it when I first ordered it, but then I'm like, I love the way that it just, come on guys, this is beautiful. It's nice and flowy, it's nice and loose, it's nice and comfortable. Like, this is just beautiful. This is so pretty. Oh my goodness, I love this. I love this. Oh, this is, guys, this is hard. This is so hard. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. I absolutely adore. OMG. Yeah. Come on guys, look at the beauty in this. I just love the way how flowy and pretty and nice this is. Okay, so this is definitely a win-win. It's a win-win, and this is just a close-up of how like it's bowed and knitted and everything. I just love, and I love the material. It's like that nice boho. Not really. What is this? It's like belts and chains, but it doesn't really look like that. I mean, from afar it looked like feathers to me, but then I realized now it's not feathers. Yeah, but here you have it. This is outfit number 6. Let's get on to 7. Alright guys, so So this is outfit number 7. It is this nice little sweater dress as the weather starts to get cooler, or even if you want something warm to wear on a nice cool day, like maybe in September or whatever, when, like I said, when the weather starts to get cooler and you just want to go out, but you got a nice long sleeve but you got the legs out. This is perfect. This is perfect. I mean, I love it. I love it. It's different. It's one of a kind. It's unique. It's fashionable. It's sassy. I mean, you just gotta love it. You just gotta love it. Yes, 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 yes. All right, so here we are. Don't pay me no mind, guys. All right, so this is outfit number 7. I think this is 7, right? So you guys can see how it looks. Like, it's this nice little open concept right here, and then it just drives into this nice little silhouette. So I have 2 more dresses for you guys. 2 more dresses, right? So let's get into it. 8 and 9, right? So let's go to 8. All right, so this is dress number 8, guys. So it is this nice flowy summer dress. I really didn't expect it to be just so pretty. It's so pretty. The colors are beautiful, so beautiful. I love the way that it looks. I love the way that it feels. The back crosses as well. If you look, trying to see if I can get a good angle. Yeah, the back crosses as well. So that way you guys can see. It's one shoulder. It has that nice thin spaghetti strap that I have to adjust just for comfort, right? But just as like a cute little try-on haul, so that way you guys can see. This dress is really pretty and really flowy. I didn't know it was good. Like, I mean, every outfit that I've just tried on has nothing but surprised me. But the way that it looks, how it fits me, just everything. I mean, it's just, oh my goodness. Yes, yes. So one more outfit, guys. One more. Alright guys, on another nice cool day, this is an off-the-shoulder striped dress. This is the last and final dress in this try-on haul. Oh my goodness, like I said, every single outfit that I have tried on is just nothing but wowed me, because everything just fits very well, comfortable. And that's one thing I get nervous about sometimes when I shop. I'm like, you never know how it's gonna fit, you know, so just knowing that it fits so comfortable and perfect just makes it all worthwhile, right guys? Right. So, yo guys, I'm so corny. Right, so I mean, here we are, a nice little cream and brown striped dress. I love the way that it fits. I love the way that it looks. All together, it is really pretty, really nice. I mean, I can't complain. I can't complain. Right, so here we are. I mean, check out my Instagram to see how I put these outfits together. You guys should see them. There is so many events that I had in the summertime, or that I have, depending on when you guys see this video, when I launch it. So there's so many events that was able for me to just have all these outfits ready to go and, you know, enjoy myself, right? So don't laugh. All right guys, so thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for joining your girl on this try-on haul. Oh my goodness, it felt great. I filmed so many try-on hauls and I posted them ready to go, and now here I am. I'm like, it feels good to film again, like another try-on haul, even though you guys are gonna see it a little further down the line. Right, so thank you guys so much for joining me. Of course, don't forget to hit the comments on which try-on haul or which outfit you guys favored the most out of all 9 outfits. Just pick the color, the style, and everything, and because I'm with you guys, right? To hit that notification bell, and of course definitely subscribe, so that way you are available and you get notified anytime I post a new video, whether it's try on haul, my fertility journey, whatever it is. Just join me on this entire journey. All right, bye guys.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more.